take a look at a half-scale sloper manipulating the darts around the body for different style lines. And I want to show you how changing the dart from one place to the other does not necessarily change the shape of the garment. This garment, or this little sloper, has the basic waist dart from the apex. We always start at the bust line, the highest point of the bust line, to manipulate, and then when we have a final pattern, we shorten it, because we don't want the dart to go all the way to the tip of the bust. This is the waist dart. This is where a French dart would be on the side seam, a side bust dart, mid-armhole, shoulder tip, mid-shoulder, mid-neck, center front neck, and center front waist. Let's see what happens if I move those around. And we'll start with the French dart. I'm going to cut on the French dart line, and I'm also going to cut on this dart line. I'm going to shift all of the dart. This is called slash and spread. I'm actually just going to close this. And of course, before I finished the pattern, I would fill this in with paper. But you can see where this dart is now here. So this is the French dart, and I'm also going to tape this together to create a three-dimensional shape. And let's stack that right there. Next, I have the bust dart right here. I'm going to slash on the bust dart right to the apex and close the original dart. As you can see, all of the bust intake, or the dart intake, is now in this area. And stack it. And you see, they're the same shape. The line is in a different place, but they're the same exact shape. Mid-armhole. Slash, slash, and spread. And close this one. So now our style line, instead of being right here, this line would of course disappear entirely. The seam would be here, the dart. Again, same shape, right? Same shape. So we're going to stack these up. We have the shoulder tip. Same shape. As you can see, I put these all together and they're creating the very exact shape, but a different line. Mid-shoulder. Same shape again. Mid-neck. Center front neck. Center front waist. And then I'm going to do one more, but I'm going to do two darts. There are many garments that actually have two darts. This is a side bust dart, but unlike this one that's coming right under the armhole and facing down towards the bust, this one will reach up. And when we do this, two darts, we close half of this dart. So this would be a dart and this would be a dart. Again, if they're completely, this would have to be sewn up. So for now, I have to close it by overlapping it entirely. Okay, so let's put this one under there so these are a little clearer to see. And then also, after we have manipulated the final pattern, we never leave the point, the tip of the sewn dart all the way here. We always back it away. So the final dart would be backed away. For instance, the dart would end here, and I'll teach you how to do that. We don't ever have a dart come right to there. You look like the pointy bras from the 40s. So this one we would back away to around here, and this one here. So right over the fullest part, you never see the actual dart. That gives you an idea of manipulating darts around to keep the same shape.